you can see, water's holding there. So we're gonna pack as much as we can in there just to get, you know, the mud, just get rid of this water and the mud all here, and as you can see down in there as well. So we've got really worked our way down this way, guys, coming down here. This can take a whole load in itself just to fill this up. So yeah, I'm actually enjoying this, guys. I mean, it's not landscaping, well, somewhat landscaping. I'm ready for the nice weather, guys. This snow weather, I know it's good, I know it's money, but sometimes you need a change. Money isn't everything. You want to enjoy your work as well. So yeah, here comes Michael. Good morning, guys. It is March 24th and we got a storm coming in, guys. Later on tonight, they're talking 8 to 10 inches of snow, wet, heavy snow. So today what I got going on is I've got to move this truck in the trailer, and then we're gonna load up, or we're gonna put on the plow, guys, on the dump or on my truck. So let's do that. Alright, guys, so I had to bring the jack down. Dumb mistake, but I brought the plow down here when the ground was still hard, and as you can see, the jack right there sunk when it did unthaw. So now I brought my jack down to level it out, and now we're going to get it on there. It is muddy down there, guys. Alright, so that side's in, it's just this side. Alright guys, it is March 23rd. As you can see, it's snowing. Snowing. Snow is coming down again, guys. I gotta drop this blade. Oh man, I got the crews lined up and we will be going out tonight. It's gonna be wet and heavy. So yeah. Alright guys, man, as you guys can see, it is snowing big time coming down, guys. We're supposed to get 5 to 8 inches with this wet heavy snow. So yeah, look at this guys, it is crazy. Crazy. Yeah. Spring snow, guys. Spring snow.